Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your leads with HubSpot CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the contacts section on the main dashboard. Here, you will find your existing leads. To upgrade a lead, click on their name to open their profile. Review the information currently available for this lead. Make sure their contact details are accurate and up to date. If you have new information to add, locate the Edit button. Click on Edit to modify their contact information. You can update fields like phone number, email address, and company name. Once the edits are complete, click on the Save button. Next, assess the lead's lifecycle stage. This is crucial for understanding their position in your sales funnel. To upgrade the lifecycle stage, look for the drop-down menu labeled Lifecycle Stage. Choose the appropriate stage that reflects their current relationship with your business. After selecting the new stage, click Save to apply your changes. Now, let's focus on adding notes to the lead's profile. Scroll down to the Notes section. Here, document any relevant conversations or insights about the lead. Be detailed but concise to provide context for future interactions. After entering your notes, click Save once again. Moving on, let's integrate any relevant tasks associated with this lead. Look for the Tasks section on their profile page. Add tasks that will help you follow up with this lead. Make sure to include deadlines and reminders to keep track of them. Once your tasks are set, save any changes you made. Next, consider updating the lead's properties. Navigate to the Properties section on the lead's profile. This area lets you add custom fields that relate to your business. Adding these properties can provide deeper insights into the lead. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.